Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Inland Waters Authority of India Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, Inland Water Authority comes under Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. So they have released the recruitment notification for various posts on a direct recruitment basis. So basically these are permanent vacancies. Online application are already started from 16th August and last date is extended till 21st September 2024. So by that time you have a time to fill up these vacancies. At serial number 4 there is a vacancy for Junior Accounts Officer. It's a level 6 pay scale. Here you will be paid 35,400 to 1,12,400 as a basic pay. The upper age limit is not exceeding 30 years. There are total 5 vacancies, out of which one is for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria, age limit, etc. for this post. So for Junior Accounts Officer, the qualification asked is degree in commerce from recognized university with 3 years experience of cash, commercial accounting, budget works in central, state, statutory or autonomous body or public sector undertaking, or you should have a degree in commerce from recognized university along with CA Inter or CMA Inter, then you are eligible. So friends, here the 3 years experience is only for BCom candidate, but if you are having CA CMA Inter degree along with a graduation degree, then you don't need any experience. Now upper age limit, as I already mentioned, upper age limit is 30 years and then there are certain age relaxations for reserve category candidate. Application fee, friends, here candidate belongs to general, unreserved category candidate or OBC creamy non-creamy layer candidate are required to pay rupees 500 as an application fee, and for other category candidate rupees 200 is the application fee you need to make. Now how to apply? Friends, you have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company. Now some general instructions. Friends, you can be liable to post it at any location in India and you will be posted at headquarters in Noida or regional offices at Patna, Guwahati, Kolkata, Kochi, Bhubaneswar and sub offices of Inland Water at different locations in the country, and your selection will be through computer based test, and they have mentioned your computer based test can be held tentatively in the month of October 2024. And friends, the cutoff date for meeting eligibility criteria, age criteria is 21st September 2024. Now scheme of examination and mode of selection. For Junior Accounts Officer, your selection will be based through computer based test. There will not be any interview or group discussion, etc. Only purely based on your computer based score you will be shortlisted. And also you need to score minimum qualifying marks. For Junior Accounts Officer, you need to score 45% by unreserved category candidate, 40% by OBC category and 35% by SC, ST, EWS and PWD category candidate to qualify the written examination. And center of examination is also mentioned. It will be held in the limited cities only, so do check these cities before filling up this form. Syllabus is not attached in this annexure, though they have mentioned it will be a part of annexure 1, which is not there in the notification as of now. Just for your recollection, I will once again tell the last date for the application. So friends, online application is already started from 16th August and last date of making application is 21st September 2024. So by this date you need to make an application. So all my graduate friends who are having 3 years of experience or my CA Inter, CMA Inters who have also did the graduation, you are eligible to apply. Then do apply for this vacancy. You will get a good exposure working in a PSU, plus also it will add to your resume that you are working in a government organization. So do give it a try, and we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare for the written examination. For this examination, we will soon launch a practice course for this exam. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.